video inafaa ishi hapa. Hivyo it has ended. No. Hata sijui tunaweza react kwa hili. Hi guys, welcome back to Winnfrey's kitchen. So today is my birthday and my friends decided to surprise me with gifts. Knowing my friends, I do not know what to expect. So let's. Gift number 1. It has a note. Happy birthday, girl, so that you'll always be clean. I love you always. I'll always be clean, okay? It's from Healthy You, I believe so. Oh, okay. Wait, what? Seriously? Oh my God. Hii ni kipande. Imagine hii ni kipande ya sabuni. Hii ni kipande ya sabuni. Kwani sikuangi msafi? Great. Actually, it's from Grace. My Jesus. Grace. My God. Anyway, gift number 2. Happy belated birthday, Shweta. Here's to another credible year of making memories. Keep shining as like a star and be as white as snow. Hii hata nishaanza kuguess inakaa tu toothpaste. Because vile nimeshaanza kuona trend. Oh my goodness. I knew it! Oh my God! Guys, okay. Number 2, toothpaste. Please tell me who did this. In your life handwriting, you can guess it might be from Annette. Moving on. This is gift number 3. Hata sijui tunaweza react kwa hili. Happy birthday, Jabber. May you receive everything you desire. Let this new season bring you joy and prosperity. Have a fruitful year ahead. Akila vinaandika ma messages mzuri. Oh my God. Mbona hii naona tu hii inakaa tu crazy kabisa. Inakaa peg. Gosh. My Jesus, like oh my God, a peg and an earbud. Who be this now? Leia. I can see now how it's like. What kind of friends do I have? I don't have words. Moving on. Gift number 4. Gift number 4. I don't. What? Mpaka ameandika jina yake Margaret Orgel. Haki nyinyi nitawapata tu. May the Lord bless you and keep you to many more birthdays. Bless you. Bless her. So the way they have nice messages. Maggie, at least kwa yako naweza kula ni sweet. Right? Thank you. Moving on. Gift number 5. At this point, this one is from Judy and Amelia. Body lotion. Yani wameamua. Guy, Akisijui ya nini. Two lotions. Imagine it is expired. Near 2021. What kind of friends are these? Hawa ni marafiki wa gani? At least hii ni ya 2025. Lakini vile tu inakaa. Hata hii ni ya 2020. Julia tabia. Mmeamua mnipe vitu zime-expire. Mimi hata you decided to not even given me a note. Mbona mnipe vitu zime-expire? Na mtanipea hata note. Sina cha kusema. I denounce you as my friends. This is gift number 6. I'm even afraid to pick this gift. Hizi marafiki. Hizi I mean. Mwingine ameniandikia tembea na Yesu happy birthday. This is from my brother. I will not be shocked. As you can see in the box, unaweza pata hakuna kitu. I will not be shocked. As I said, Hii video inafaa ishi hapa. Hii video itaendele. No. Kwa nini naogopa kufungua hii? Imagine what kind of gift number 7. Akila mpaka nilivaa vizuri. Jesus. We are like my one and only sister. Happy birthday sister. Wachia Yesu akushikanishie kila kitu. Yeye akushikanisha. Yeye ameamua kunipea. Unaona kitu nitashikanishiwa naye. Okay, I denounce you as my friend. You are not my friend. I denounce my Jesus. Mkaona unipe. Sister, umeona unipe glue.
Kwa nini mimi?
Unashikanishiwa na simu. Yaani ninashikanishiwa
na Yesu.
I am shocked. I thought I had friends. And they're still coming. Gift number 8. When I see these boxes, I am afraid. When I start seeing these boxes, I am afraid. Okay? Imeandikwa Emirates shoes. For once, they're Emirates shoes. They're Emirates shoes. You see them? Imagine gift number 8. Ndio nimeanza kuona gifts. Hizo zingine mimi sijui zilikuwa ni gift number 8. Let me be my gift number 8. Gift number 8. At least when you amenitumia hii, this is a good gift. Nimeanza kuona nice gifts. Thank you. This is from Lea. At least akinilipea pegs, kumbe alikuwa niletea viatu. Very beautiful shoes by the way. Thank you Lea. Haki hapo umejiridhi. Nilikuwa nikukute but umejiridhi. Thank you very much. The people I called friends. The people I called friends. Is there any other gift? Kuna ingine?
Easy.
So this is the last gift. Gift number 9. Seriously. Okay, this is a phone case. This is a phone case. I love the phone case. This is a phone case. I mean, kitu inakaa empty. Nimekuwa surprised. Sasa Alright, okay. These are new and they look like earphones. Acheni tu nifungue just to be sure. Oh, they're actually earphones. Whoa. Oh. Damn. Oh, they are earphones. Thank you, Maureen. Oh my God, they are. Thank you. At least the last two videos, why Maureen went and a gift funny. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow. Wow. Wanionaje kwenye earphones? This is the last gift. At least the last two gifts were not a disappointment. At least these earphones and this, they were not a disappointment. Wale wenye nimewadenounce, unless you redeem yourselves, I have denounced you. You are not my. How can you give me? Hata afadhali mwenye alinipea tu space. At least this one, this huyu at least. Lakini akaandika hapo, acheni ndio wasome. Akaandika fine. Oh, at least yeye aliandika. Kwa mwenye alinipea baso, I need to be clean. You need to tell me if I'm usually not clean. You need to explain yourself. Anywho's, peace.